Hi everybody, how are you all? Hope life is treating you well and hope you are treating your prep well. So, how far along are you in your prep? Now, when I say how far along, I mean, are you still struggling with RCs or have you actually overcome that hurdle? If you are still struggling, you need to first zero in on the pain point. सिर्फ अगर आप मुझे आगे क्लास में बोलोगे या मैसेज करोगे Ma'am, I'm still struggling with RCs. Or, ma'am, I'm still not doing well in RCs. I'm reading every day, but still not doing well in RCs. Well, it's a very generic kind of point. So, I won't be able to give you any good suggestion. However, if you zero in on your gray area and tell me that, ma'am, I'm getting stuck with main idea, or I'm not able to locate the important zones, or I'm not able to connect the questions with the paragraphs, तब मैं बताऊंगी ना कि कहाँ लोचा है. सो चलिए आज का पैसेज करते हैं. क्या है ये? ग्लोबल कैपिटलिज्म. कैपिटलिज्म अगर अब तक आपने रीडिंग नहीं की है तो अपने आप को एक हल्का सा चपेड़ दोनों गाल पे दे दो मेरी तरफ से एंड गेट डाउन टू रीडिंग दिस. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स दैट अ कैट एस्पिरेंट कैन रीड ऑन. ठीक है, ये हो गया. अच्छा, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक क्रिटिक इसका जॉनरा है. Global capitalism is connected with various topics. So when you read about capitalism, you read about tragedy of the commons, about GDP, flaws of GDP, the gap between the rich and the poor, about Adam Smith being criticized, Marxism, socialism, communism, the difference between the two, how governments change, how democracies die. There are a lot of things, and they all are interconnected. Okay, so yeah, this is what capitalism is, a form of government, as we all know, है ना. तो अच्छा, इसमें क्या होता है? The rich keep getting richer, the poor keep getting poorer, because whatever is produced, whatever profit is acquired, that is pumped back into the production system. So generally people criticize capitalism and they say that it is the reason why societies become poor or they stay poor. But then capitalism has its plus points as well. अब ये passage capitalism से related क्या बोल रहा है? What is the angle? We need to find out. So first we read this sentence. Within the capitalist framework center exists the total disconnection of the purchaser from production mechanisms. Okay, you and I are the purchaser. We are totally disconnected from the production mechanism. So this is the gap, and the passage is going to be about that. And then if we take a look at the passage, everywhere there's capitalism, capitalism, capitalism. Everywhere it's there. So take capitalism is the hero, the crux, the top, not the crux, the topic of discussion. But what is the crux, the main idea? वो तो हमें पढ़ने पे ही पता चलेगा. So this is the last para. ठीक है, ये आपका penultimate para है. Then let's take a look at the questions. The positioning of industrial farms in underpopulated, frequently impoverished regions serves to do what? So you need to go to industrial farms and underpopulated and this. So I think this must be connected with a para specific question. Now, if you are thinking, ma'am, how will I know whether this is para specific or whatever? तो भाई अभी हम read करेंगे ना. When we do our reading, we have to do active reading. Active reading means we have to stay alert. कहाँ पे क्या क्या points हैं. So when I read this question, I know industrial farms and underpopulated. The passage is talking about capitalism. The whole thing is capitalism. And maybe some exploitation, some manipulation. There must be a para that talks about industrial farms in underpopulated areas, poor regions. Okay, so this should be good. Based on the author's expansion of this, describes the alienation experienced by this. Again, this is a specific inference question. You need to go to the alienation theory or alienation concept that has been explained in connection with dairy cattle. Okay, ये हो गया. Question number 3. Decrease in producer's authority is a result of what? Producer's authority must be mentioned somewhere. Okay, this again makes it a specific inference question. Inferring the author's stance, small s, on disadvantaged individuals. Which of the following captures the author's view on the role of already disadvantaged populations within this? You know, after reading these 4 questions, one thing is very clear. It is about capitalism. Capitalist livestock की बात चल रही. Capitalism में it can be like many things, but this is about capitalist livestock framework. Under that he has talked about some disadvantaged population, किसको नुकसान होता है, किसको फायदा होता है. पूंजीवादी जो है, these are the capitalists, they get benefited, the others get disadvantaged. So this much is clear. Let's go back to the passage. अच्छा, एक और चीज, सीक्वेंस क्या होगा मेरा सॉल्व करने का? It's not necessary that I have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4. ऐसा नहीं है. So industrial farms I'll keep in mind, and then here we have, alienation explained. So alienation, say I would want to start. Producers authority, why not? This would be number 2 for me. This would be 1. और ये disadvantaged population 1 और 4 में देख लेंगे फिर. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं पैसेज क्या कह रहा है. I really need to go through it once. Active reading करेंगे, but main idea निकालना है, flow लेना है. A century and a half afterward, ये जो भी थे ये एंजल्स, मार्क एंजल्स थे वैसे ये, so far I remember. Statement seems increasingly pertinent. Pertinent is relevant, so the author's tone towards angels is positive. What statement this? There is a disconnect between purchaser and producer. With nearly 800 additional massive farms, कहने को ये होता है ना, from the farm to the table, आजकल concept है, products हमें बेचे जाते हैं, farm to table. बोलने की बात होती, but where are those farms? That's what he says, that there is a disconnect between the purchaser and the producer. And he says massive farms, the mega farms, where will they be established? They can't be established in the heart of the city. So Germany, he starts with an example, propels the livestock agriculture to expand beyond previous scales. Beyond previous scales मतलब ये नहीं कि एक boundary के पीछे नहीं. Earlier the size was big, but now bigger than those sizes. However, now I know that the main idea will be here. So the first 2 lines or the last 2 lines of the first para generally contain the main idea, but here however है, so however के बाद ही main idea होना है. However, since the overwhelming majority are constructed distant from metropolitan centers, purchasers are geographically and socially disconnected from producers, purchasers like you and I. And what does that do? Intensifies social disparity and enhances sector authority. Pause after the first para. Try to sum it up. Capitalism, okay, capitalism का कुछ problem है. That's clear from the first line. And then livestock agriculture. Livestock agriculture हम बात करते हैं तो global warming पे भी जाता है. The more livestock is reared for, in order to meet the increasing need, the more it's going to contribute to global warming. So, जो उसके, harmful gases and all they let out, that is a big problem. So, here, beyond previous scales, big उस पे बन रहे हैं. However, they are constructed distant. Main idea is very clear right here. Agricultural farms, सबसे पहले capitalism. Agricultural farms situated at a distance from metropolitan centers, that creates a gap between the purchaser and the producer. This leads to 2 things: sector disparity, social disparity, and sector authority, control. Done. इसके बाद तो पूरा सिर्फ explain करेगा with the help of examples or some data or something. Livestock agriculture presently functions as a transnational, okay, controlled by this and consequently expansion, same thing that he has said here. Beyond previous scales, international meat purchasing, ये data, demand बढ़ गया है बहुत ज़्यादा. Look at this. The challenge of maintaining this growth intersects with additional prevailing social structures, the burden coming on these. I know that there's a question connected with this. This is the benefit I get if I read my question stems first. So I'm not reading here, but I'm just kind of keeping this as a pressure point कि मुझे यहाँ पे वापस आना है. Okay, then Germany's dairy sector, अब ये example है, exemplifies capitalism intersecting with this. It represents one of the most obscure, negative, concealed dimensions, negative, and is particularly remarkable treatment of female cattle. Female cattle, यहाँ से word ले लिया मैंने, आगे बढ़ रही हूँ. The livestock agricultural sector demonstrates his objectification theory. यहाँ पे objectification है, यहाँ पे alienation theory. both the theories. You need to know, but don't read too much right now. Objectification mein I'm going to skim now. Inherent in capitalism. Non-human creatures, that is animals, external entities, सबको objectify करेंगे, commodity की तरह treat करेंगे, commodities. Creatures, okay, male calves, excess commodity. Oh, they are considered a burden because they do not produce milk. So they are excess commodity. They transform into possessions and they may be sold. Controlled by the sector, products sold to purchasers. They are separated from their mothers. Treating as commodities, okay, results from labor segmentation. Now, what is the reason for this happening? He has given the reasons here. Labor segmentation and constitutes this. Producing is alienation theory. The meaning of this word is getting separated, isolation. Kiska ho raha hai alienation? Effects. Dairy cattle are separated from the commodity. Unka alienation, human laborers separated, purchasers are separated. अच्छा तो तू सबको यहाँ पे ना separated कर रहा है. I'll go to the last line because it's a big paragraph. Whenever I see a big paragraph, I read the last line as well, like besides the first line. This segmentation and separation is extensive within this, perpetuating and accelerating effects it produces. Okay, negative effects, we know. The last para. This is so important because it's conclusive. It doesn't end on facts, doesn't end on data. A destructive pattern is sustained. It's kind of a cycle goes on. Attempting to reduce expenses, farms क्या करते हैं? They build their facilities positioned where property is inexpensive, very, very far from the city centers. Removed from this and is underpopulated, very poor regions. In underpopulated this. This creates what? Segmentation, okay, same, main idea. Permitting this, okay, producers, okay, authority decreases, there's a question, producers authority. Disadvantaged individuals, ये भी एक question है, compelled to accept this, okay, तो उसका effects दिया है. This intensification of disadvantaged individuals, what? Suppression expands the distance, okay, resources are reinvested, okay. So they are reinvested towards the, so resources are reinvested toward the purchaser aspect in promotion rather than cattle accommodations. Purchaser aspect means in order to lure purchasers, in order to promote the products, not for cattle accommodation, for better cattle accommodation and food. As farms become industrialized and oppressive, okay, negative. Tone is negative. Main idea मैंने आपको already दे दिया था. I think the passage has a beautiful flow and it's very easy to understand. Questions पे जा सकते हैं. Would I want to start with this? Positioning of this in underpopulated? Yes, why not? It's given in the last para. I remember clearly now. Industrial farms in underpopulated this. So, यहाँ बोला है ना, underpopulated वाला. You can read it once again. Go ahead. ये. Geographical segmentation and there's कुछ positive तो नहीं हो रहा है इससे. So, mitigate the environmental impact of this. This is a positive word. Eliminated. Reinvest resources into the producer aspect. वहां तो उसने customer aspect बोला है. Lure the customers to promote the products by leveraging inexpensive property to improve the living conditions. Positive, eliminated. Ensure that disadvantaged populations have access to this. Opposite of what's given. The disadvantaged populations suffer. The burden comes down on them. Rationalizing current biases, thereby unintentionally rationalizing access to them. Rationalizing current biases, something negative is here, but then this is not given. Access to employment opportunities, ensuring that they get it. Eliminated. So this is the answer and this is the only one that talks negative. How? Establish a social and physical buffer that facilitates the consolidation of authority, sector authority, by obscuring the realities from the consumer. It is given, यहाँ पर भी complete ये obscure and concealed dimensions plus here, आप देख लो. This creates this, permitting unrealistic commodity promotion while producers, this decreases, compelled to accept this with minimal or no compensation, rationalized by society's biases and further reinforced. Suppression further expands, okay. So, here he says it's like, the people do not get to know the real thing, the real reason. Obscure, hidden, पूरे में tone वही है. Obscuring the realities, the gap between the purchaser and the producer. That's the overall idea. So D is good. यहाँ पे एक टिप ले लो आप. If you ever get stuck with a question, with any question, quickly connect it with the first or the last para. Generally ऐसा होता है कि आंसर निकल आता है. ठीक है, ये done. Would I want to go to this? Alienation, oh yes, absolutely. Now, please pay attention to one thing. Alienation experienced by dairy cattle. The paragraph talks about alienation about 3. Dairy cattle का भी है, laborers का भी है, and purchasers are separated. Go and read the dairy cattle wala. So what are they saying? Okay, dairy cattle are separated from the commodity, their own milk, as well as fellow creatures जो उनके बच्चे होते हैं. यहाँ बोला था उसने, the calves are sold because calves कहाँ गया, excess commodity या, और मतलब commodity, they are treated as commodities, so alienation, they both are connected. Okay, now the separation from the biological output of their labor, milk, disruption of fundamental social and maternal bonds from their calves. So I think this is a good rephrased version of what's given there. The psychological distress resulting from the objectification of this as an excess commodity. Alienation experienced, alienation, psychological distress resulting from what? Objectification. But that is not alienation exactly. Alienation is both milk and your offspring. Calves, मतलब जो उनके वो हैं, male, female, whatever बच्चे. So this is eliminated. The transition from being perceived as sentient participants, okay, to being classified as female laborers. इसमें तो यहाँ अजीब टाइप का जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन दे रहा है. Transition from being perceived as sentient participants, creatures with sense, creatures with cognition, creatures with emotions, okay, to being classified as female within this. तो मतलब females का नहीं होता है, कोई भी emotions, feelings, sentient नहीं होंगे, कुछ अजीब सा comparison है, something that we would call faulty comparison. Hope this is clear. The disconnect between the high energy requirements of milk production and the inadequate accommodations provided by this. Is this alienation that he's talking about? No. So this is out of scope. Eliminated. A is good as your answer. Then, producers authority. इसमें तो sequence में ही चल रहे हैं, अच्छा दिख रहा है मुझे. एक के बाद एक हो जा रहे हैं because they all are connected to a specific paragraph or a specific point. The passage suggests the decrease in producer's authority is a consequence of what? I got this here. Producer's authority. Geographical segmentation. So positioned, inexpensive, they keep their properties, they build their properties very far away. And that leads to a decrease in the producer's authority. Permitting unrealistic commodity promotion. Okay. So, the quadrupling of international meat purchasing. That was the second para, which had shifted the power dynamic. So why would this lead to a decrease in producers' authority? Out of scope. The failure of human laborers to organize effectively due to the repetitive nature of manufacturing procedures. Alienation of humans में दिया था, alienation theory में, but that doesn't lead to a decrease in producers' authority. Out. A systemic reinvestment of capital, okay, into marketing and consumer facing aspects rather than into the infrastructure of production. Systemic reinvestment of capital, okay. Marketing, that's promotion. Consumer facing aspects यहाँ पे आपका बोला है purchaser aspect, right? In promotion, fine. Rather than into the infrastructure of production. Accommodation of cattle में invest नहीं हो रहा है. It's given, so I'll keep this. है ना? And then the geographical and social distance that allows the sector to manipulate consumer perception and ये. Distance तो दिया है. You can have a doubt here. Manipulate consumer perception कहाँ दिया है? Unrealistic promotion. What are you supposed to do when you're left with these two choices? Take one and go back and prove. A systemic reinvestment, this is given in the last line. Okay. Does this lead to a decrease in the producer's authority? No. This one does. How do we prove this? Manipulate the perception, unrealistic promotion? Go back and check. यहाँ देखो आप, geographical segmentation, sector authority is enhanced, unrealistic promotion while producers authority decreases, disadvantaged individuals are compelled to accept inadequate this, unconsciously rationalized, okay, by society's current biases, reinforced through their objectification. This is all talking about the change of perception, okay, how it's manipulated. So, between these two, manipulate consumer perception through unrealistic promotion. This is good, and this is your answer. Okay, and the fourth one. This is talking about what? The role of already disadvantaged populations. I think we can solve this without going back. इनके ऊपर जो बोझ आ जाता है and all. They are the primary beneficiaries. Out. Their exploitation is a structural necessity for maintaining growth. It's given in the second para. Facilitated by their own objectification. It's given in the third or fourth para. They are objectified and it is a structural necessity. क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसने second para में एक point बोला था. I vaguely remember. देखते हैं चलिए. Yeah. Additional prevailing social structures globally, okay, intersects with this. Additional prevailing social structures, okay. And then if we go back to this, so maintaining exponential growth, okay, sounds good. They represent the purchaser aspect. The disadvantaged populations, are they the purchaser aspect that must be influenced by this to ensure this? How can they be the purchaser aspect? Purchaser aspect is you spend on promotion so that you can woo the purchasers. So this is out. Then marginalization, kiska? Inka. Marginalization is pushed to the boundaries. They are given a back seat. Decrease of importance is primarily a result of their inability to adapt to the labor segmentation inherent in this. The Western dietary patterns is mentioned in this para here. But it doesn't say here that these people, the disadvantaged populations, they fail to adapt to this thing. यहाँ बोला है कहीं. The challenge of maintaining this, okay, right? So they have to satisfy the requirement, but it doesn't say that they fail to adapt to the labor segmentation. So this is eliminated. B is good as your answer. And we are done with all four. I hope all the explanations are clear. Hope the main idea is clear, the tone is clear, the flow of the passage is clear, the questions connected with the paragraphs, I hope that's clear, and I hope the elimination process is crystal clear. I'm going to see you again very soon, guys. Take care and keep learning.